Have you guys ever felt or heard this when moving your shifter out of park? That was a pretty big thump. I even felt it, not just hear it. What that's doing is continuing the wear and tear on your parking pawl, which will lead to more tranny failures due to unnecessary load on your output shaft gears. Let me explain. I'll use this Wheel of Fortune spinner as an example. Your transmission output shaft is this spinning wheel. This red pointer is your transmission parking pawl. Whenever you park on a flat surface and put your shifter into park, the pointer enters the gear and prevents the vehicle from rolling. In scenarios like this, you'll never hear or feel a thump from the transmission. Why? Because the parking pawl is going in and out without interference. It's engaging nicely and smoothly. So where is this huge thump that you can hear and feel? Where's it coming from? It comes from not parking on a flat ground, folks. When you park on any type of incline and put your shifter into park, the minute you release your foot brakes, your truck will roll back until the parking pawl stops it. Because of gravity, the entire weight of your truck is now resting on your parking pawl. Let me give you an example. Remember the Wheel of Fortune, the gears I was talking about? It's spinning and it's spinning until you come to a stop. You park your car, you put your parking pawl in there, which is your shifter, into park, and now you release your brakes. What is going to happen? The gears are going to move until it stops. It's going to move until it doesn't move. It's going to move until it hits that parking pawl, just like this. Boom. Now, that parking pawl, that gear is resting on the parking pawl. See, it's resting. So then next morning, when you go to your truck and you put your shifter out of park, this is what you're doing. You're taking your parking pawl out of its position. So what you're doing is you're taking metal and grinding it against another metal until it does this. Boom. That's the sound that you're hearing. The shifter trying to disengage out of your gears. So Bob, what if we park on an incline? What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to move into another house? Am I supposed to move into the middle of the desert where everything's flat? Is this something we're gonna have to accept and live with for the rest of our life? No, you dipshit. Absolutely not. My driveway has an incline. I have to do this shit every single day. It's a small enough incline, but it's enough to cause my vehicle to roll back down if left in neutral. Let me show you the smooth release of my shifter out of park every single morning. I'm going to show you how to do it, but it's going to require you to retrain your brain to follow a sequence of steps every time you get out of your vehicle and every time you get into your vehicle. It's going to become second nature to you. While stepping on your brakes, go ahead and use your left foot to engage your foot brakes. While your brake pedal is pressed at the same time as your e-brakes, go ahead and put the shift knob into park. At this point, you can go ahead and take your foot off the e-brakes and the brake pedal, and your vehicle will not move. Let's pretend the next morning we're going to start our truck to leave. Press down on your brakes. Go ahead and start your vehicle. Go ahead and put your shifter out of park, either to reverse or drive, depending on where you're going. In my case, I'm going to do reverse. Now you can go ahead and release your foot brakes. The car did not move at all. Can you guys remember those 4 simple steps whenever you get to your vehicle or whenever you leave your vehicle? They're very simple, guys. Your car has to be at a complete standstill in order for you to move your shifter into the gears or out of the gears. Just remember the sequence where your car has to be at an absolute standstill. If your car is rolling back, that is a sure sign that your whole truck is sitting on top of that parking pawl. So the next morning, or when you get back to your vehicle to get out of park, guess what's gonna happen? Bunk! That's the sound you're gonna hear. So folks, hope you guys enjoyed this video. A healthy e-brake with a combination of a parking pawl that you've taken care of every time you step in and out of your vehicle will give you many, many, many years of safe ownership owning this Lexus GX 460. Peace!